About a year ago, we tested the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer. It was amazing.
TurboBlaze.
So when they reached out to us recently and said, we've got our flagship stainless steel, what did we say?
Hell yes.
We're gonna go test it out tonight. Frozen steak,
Yes.
which I didn't know was a thing.
It's
Should
a
be
thing.
amazing.
It's gonna be great.
I can't wait to try it. Cheers.
Basement.
All right, here we are with the new Cosori Iconic air fryer. It looks really nice. This is really good packaging, like
Apple.
iPhone. 6.5 quart stainless steel,
Okay.
which is nice. It'll go with my.
Hold on, you gotta read the flaps now.
Oh, getting started.
QR
okay.
code, that's good. People
We
like
don't
that.
need that. We don't need that.
But people like that. Quick start guide. Beautiful. It's a thick quick start guide.
Go ahead and read that. We'll wait.
It's got, oh God.
Don't break it
It's got
now.
flaps and stuff. Smart air fry cookbook. Okay. Questions or comments, you can email or call.
All right, so here's the plate for the inside.
Cast iron.
High quality.
Save that bag.
Look
dude.
at that, man. That's high quality right
Nice
there.
bag. Laundry bag.
It's like R2-D2 down here.
Where are the white gloves, dude? Why aren't you wearing white gloves?
Oh, do I need white gloves?
You should be wearing them.
Holy cow.
Okay, you got it?
I got it.
Look, oh wow, it even has a white glove for the...
It's heavy. Grab it.
Whoa!
So very similar control panel on the top as what's on there. Same style.
Touchscreen.
All right, let's burn it in.
Gently hand wash the basket and crisper plate. You got
Oh, that's my least favorite part is cleaning. How often do you wash your air fryer?
Well, that thing, my wife does it all the time.
Is that right?
To where I lost it and had to buy a new one for like $20. I lost it for like 4 months and I'm like, screw it, I'm gonna buy the new one.
And then you found it.
Yeah.
Perfect fit. I have had air fryers where for whatever reason that thing didn't fit properly, which is
So it's
super
not
weird.
even loose, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
And no fingerprints, actually.
Oh, wow.
Why doesn't my fridge do that?
Good question, mine either. Now let me see if I can add this to the app. So if I just do add device, Cosori, air fryer, Iconic, it's there. Preparing to connect, plug
It's
your device
Iconic.
in. Is that what it is?
I don't know.
Iconic. I'm down with Iconic.
You just do whatever makes you feel good because this looks beautiful.
Press and hold power for 5 seconds. All right, it's added.
What's shake mean? I'm thinking.
Good question. 4 or 5?
Oh wow, it goes above 400. That's impressive. 450. 400 has been my max for year.
Man, that is nice looking. We'll see you guys after the 10-minute burn-in. We're gonna cook the frozen steaks. That's what we're doing, right?
Yes. Honey glazed pork chops and mango avocado salsa.
Make sure you read every page.
Butternut squash breakfast hash. Cinnamon French toast, dude.
Yeah.
Cinnamon French toast in the air fryer.
All right, we got 12 seconds left. Almost done with our burn-in.
Nice.
All right, so let's point out we got air fry, which is obvious, roast, bake, dry, which is great for beef jerky.
Dehydrated.
I did it once and it was amazing.
Why haven't you done it again?
Dry is dehydrated. I don't know why. I
We've been
haven't.
asking you to.
I know, well, what can I say? Proof is for bread and then reheat.
Wait, proof and rise? Because
That's the same thing.
Is it?
Yeah, isn't it?
I don't know what proof.
I'm not a baker, but I'm assuming.
I don't know what proof means with bread.
Donnie, your wife is a baker, tell me. So what do we need to do with the steak? Is it in here? Are we gonna start with one steak?
Yeah, we're gonna start with one.
Just to make sure we get this right? Oh, wow, it's super frozen.
So they're supposed to be like ice bricks.
Look at you with your nice,
That's how you do it.
that's very sweet.
So the best thing is, I met a guy, he'd buy so many steaks, vacuum seal them, and they'll last for like 6 months or more if you vacuum seal because there's no ice burn. This is from last night, and your meat will last forever. You pull it out frozen, stick it in your air fryer, money steak.
So I need to cut this open or what?
Yeah, you can't pull it now. You can try to pull it, I've never done that.
Let's see if you can do it.
Nope. Well, yeah,
Oh, look at that.
it's a little bit, I don't want to do it again really.
All right, so what is this recipe you've been telling me about doing frozen steaks
So,
in the air fryer?
yeah, straight up, we're gonna put,
I mean, that thing is, if you smash it harder, it's gonna be like 1,000 pieces.
but that's how it has to be. It's gotta be like literally an ice brick. So now we'll put whatever you put on a steak, we're gonna put on the grill. And we put it up in here and it's gonna come out amazing.
So
it's like
SPG?
8 minutes and we put SPG and we need a little oil love.
Oil too? All right, let me go get
So
some
if you're
SPG.
going, let's see, I gotta look up the temp.
I only have olive oil.
Okay, let me look up the
Is that
temp.
gonna
Hold
work?
on. I don't know. Your name, sir, and your purpose.
Chad, Purpose is Grilling. Oh boy, I hope I can find my SPG. All right, there we go. Oh
Yeah,
no,
it's
I got,
olive oil,
I got
olive oil.
vegetable oil. However, La Fantastique schooled me the other day in the comments. We should be using avocado oil.
We have used it.
Same high smoke point as vegetable oil, but much healthier.
And much more expense.
Is that what it is?
Avocado oil is super expensive.
Is it? Damn it. Damn it, La Fantastique. I'm gonna pour, you rub.
I thought you were gonna put my gloves on for me like I showed you, like a doctor.
Here, I'll put this one on for you.
Oh God, oh God. So lining up with my thumb now. This is how Dr. X gets his gloves put on.
Okay.
So just a little now on this beautiful brick.
Yeah, that is a brick.
So I could probably, gosh, she's a brick. I'm gonna need a little more, but don't put that much.
Looks good already. And tell me when to stop.
Just season like you would normally.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
All sides?
I mean, this is the basement hangout. We have to do all sides. So we go 350. Depending on the thickness of your steak, we're running about 8 minutes each side. We're gonna have to peek at her. She seems good.
Is that enough?
Sizzle, sizzle. I haven't heard that in an air fryer.
Yeah.
Hit that button and shut her. Okay, go
385, 350.
350 her, and set a timer for 8 minutes.
I'm looking forward to this. So after 8 minutes, we flip?
We gotta take a peek, and then we decide. So I did one's a little thicker than this. It took 11 minutes each side. And we should have any other fixins. You ever watch Southbound and Down with the
Yes.
fixins? Remember that?
We have no fixin'.
We got butter.
Yeah?
That's what we need, butter.
Okay. Butter it is.
So melted butter is the steakhouse secret. That's why every piece tastes amazing. So it even tells you your fan speed. That red thing.
Oh yeah. But I must say, this goes well with the stainless steel fridge, stainless steel whatever. Oh man, it smells good already. Do you smell it?
No, I think it's going this way.
Man, it smells good.
Oh yeah, I smell it.
All right, let's see what's up.
So let's look at the bottom. Yeah, don't flip. We're gonna keep going.
Yeah, you sure?
No.
How many more minutes?
We're gonna put 2 chicken.
All right.
All right, now we flip.
Oh yeah, sizzling.
I'm gonna go 8 minutes just so we don't.
Overcook. Couple more minutes.
So what's interesting is when you pull it out, mine just goes.
This one stops. Is that right?
The ninja just like,
Oh wow.
put your shirt back on and hurry. Oh, she looks great.
Damn, that does look good, I must say.
It smells very nice. So we're gonna let her rest, just like off the grill.
Yeah, you gotta do that. Oh wow, that looks actually
We're
really
gonna put some
good.
medallions.
Should we dust with salt and pepper?
Yeah, I have to let this butter melt. Look at that precision. Precision cut. I mean, oh yeah.
That's looking mighty fine, mighty fine.
Yeah, it's doing it for me. It's doing it for me. Yeah, hit that river. There we go. Look at her.
Should we try an end first?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Very soft.
Yeah.
All right, grab your piece.
That's how it is.
Cheers.
The crust is
Down.
doing it.
Man, that's good.
And that holds up, right?
Can't shake a stick at that. Adding the salt and pepper at the end is key.
But the crust.
Yeah, the crust is good. Nice red in there. Cooked perfectly.
Yeah. That's what's amazing.
The crust is fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm happy with this thing.
Air fried steak, frozen, solid, like a rock.
And with beauty. Look at that. I could cold smoke it
That'd be
and
the
then
way.
stick it on there. Frozen steak, who would have thought?
Like a freaking brick.
You've been telling me for a while, but I didn't believe it.
I didn't either until I tried it and I was like, I can't believe it.
Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time.
I'm upset that I lost all my Forever Tongs.
No, they're here. We didn't lose them. They're here.
Well, I can't find them. They're from 4 to 0, dude.
They're here, man.
They're not forever if I keep losing them. That's
You gotta
the
have the
problem.
wife find them. Maybe like 2 minutes.